recording right now, and this is a 42-inch antique brass Emerson 1895 series ceiling fan. Well, it's the Sears version with a direct drive spinner motor instead of the Emerson KB55 motor found in the non-Sears Emerson 1895 ceiling fans. But anyway, I'll give a close-up of the canopy right there. Very common on a lot of the Sears Emerson ceiling fans, and Emerson shoved that canopy on the bigger 1895s like the earlier generation ones. Go down and show you the vent pattern, and the edge of the blade arm, and they did make other versions of it with the blade arm that goes down slightly further, and it doesn't completely cover the track, you know, where the blades mount to, but see, I'll zoom out on the blade arm right there. And actually, and in case you didn't know, you can use the same blade arms on the 42-inch 1895s as the 52s. Get a shot of the blade. There's the blade tip. And the light kit was something that I added. I mean, it looks kind of big on it. And I got the ceiling fan off Craigslist for $20, and it was in an abandoned house. Well, it was being torn down. It was like this old house, probably built in like the 1800s, in the kitchen. And these blades came off another Sears 1895, which I acquired from Goodwill in 2007. But that one I decided to part out since it was not all there. No canopy or mounting hardware. That's the only thing it was missing. I'll turn the light on for you. Puts out a good bit of light. I can see the walnut finish of the blades. The other side is stencil, but I'm biased against the stencils, so as many of you may know, don't mind cane, but just never could stand stencil. Now I'm going to turn the fan on for you. Start out on low. And I saved the blade arms that came with it. I'm going to put on my 52-inch 1895 because it's been wobbling, my antique brass one. Okay, medium. I'm going to try it out on high. Has a slight shake to it, but other than that, it's pretty good. Moves a decent amount of air on high. Doesn't make any noise whatsoever. Okay, I'm going to power down now. Do another close-up of the track. That's a reverse switch right there. I want to say this fan was made circa 1986. Well, there you have it, folks. A 42-inch spinner motor Sears Emerson 1895 series ceiling fan. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.